Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna be factory resetting this older iPhone. So in order to do that, go right into your settings. So just look for your settings. Once you're in your settings, scroll down, go into general. Under general, scroll all the way down. You're gonna see transfer or reset iPhone. That's your second last option right above shutdown. Just choose that, and then from here choose your last option where it says erase all content and settings. So this will bring it back to factory settings. That means your Apple ID, everything within the iPhone will be deleted. Not the Apple ID itself, it's that you can use on any other iPad, any other iPhone, but from within the phone itself, it's gonna be gone, as well as pictures or any personal information from within it. It's gonna be just like when you got it brand new. So let's just tap on continue. Then it's gonna ask you for your passcode if you have one, and then it's gonna ask you if you guys want to back up to iCloud. Of course, most of you don't. If you have a backup on your computer, good for you. You can also do this on your computer, by the way. So if you're having any issues, just hook it up to your computer, do it through there. So for example, on PC, use iTunes, on Mac, use Finder in order to make that backup and factory reset. Anyways, we're gonna skip this part because we don't need to. Then it's gonna ask you to turn off Find My Phone. Just put in the password, you're good to go. Press erase iPhone. Once you do that, you should see this. Now, if you press and you put in the password a few times, sometimes it does glitch until you get that erase iPhone. With older iPhones, they usually lag a little bit. So during this process, you should see an Apple logo, a loading bar. It's just gonna restart. All right, so as mentioned before, after it just restarted, you should see something like so. Just press the home button and then choose your language. Right now, you can set it up and go through the whole setup, put in a new Apple ID, put the same Apple ID, depends. Maybe you guys just wanted to wipe it clean. Does not matter. Or you can just turn it off. If you're gonna sell this, you could just turn it off right now. The new person can set it up themselves. Or you can set it up without an Apple ID and then just keep it that way, and later on do another factory reset if you have to. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.